Hey everybody, Kevin Berju, Philly Mortgage Team, letting you know today what happened in the world of mortgages and particularly in the world of refinancing. So today, your government and a quasi-agency of the government, your Federal Housing Finance Administration, decided that you were getting too much relief. So they said, everybody's housing payments are going down, and we don't think that's too good an idea without us getting some of that savings. And geez, the title companies and the mortgage companies, they're all making money. Yeah, an industry in a pandemic that's actually supporting a lot of other industries and doing well. We don't want that, do we? No. So we're going to tack off a half a point and call it a tax on your refinance. So if you're refinancing a $300,000 loan, it's now going to cost you $1,500 more. And who does that go to? Your government. Okay, so how are they able to do that? I'm not 100% sure, because it kind of, to me, like looking down at the corner and seeing a bar and people are lined up down the court, down the street to get into this bar because they got great food, good ambiance, great music. They busted their rear ends and they've done a terrific job. So, hey, let's go give them a tax. We should get some of that money. You know what I mean? I think they called that organized crime. Anyhow, so what do I know? The most bizarre part of this as well is one of the reasons that rates have been extremely low is that the government have been buying bonds. So mortgages are based on bonds. If a lot of people are out buying these bonds, then the person who's selling these bonds doesn't have to pay a really high premium because he's got a lot of people lined up at the door, or she has a lot of people lined up at the door to buy them. But if nobody's buying the bonds, then they have to attract people to buy them. How do they do that? They raise the interest rate. So on mortgage-backed securities or bonds, that's how it's done. So the government's been buying $4 billion a day almost in bonds, and that means that the interest rates are low. So they're buying the bonds to keep the interest rate low, and then on this hand, they're charging a fee to get, for you to get those low rates. I think that's money laundering. I'm not sure though. So I'll let you know as more of this comes out. It's kind of new. This just happened late in the evening yesterday, which is the perfect time to pass stuff. And we'll see. Complain. We'll have a place to complain to. We'll let you know, because that's the only way that these people, say that word nicely, won't get away with taking your money. And by the way, this is just on refinances. This is not on purchases. And it starts in the beginning of September. Kevin Berju, Philly Mortgage Team, keeping you up to date. If you have questions on this, please feel free to give me a call. 215-681-3587. Thank you so much, and have a good day.